Dr. Ken Vanderlip and Susie Vanderlip, certified speaking professional, are experts in stress management and life balance. In this high-content workshop, De-Stress for Success, participants gain the insight and tools to overcome burnout, being overwhelmed, and the stress of body, mind, and spirit. The Vanderlip's guide to people on a journey is both relaxing and energizing, entertaining and educational. They create a comfortable space for personal growth that results in greater productivity and life satisfaction. Audiences laugh, relax, and grow. De-Stress for Success incorporates the Vanderlips' 30 years of experience in clinical psychology, martial arts, guided meditation, 12-step concepts, and yoga. Everyone takes home some insight or technique they can use daily in their personal and professional lives.
That action, as it comes, you don't have to use a lot of force, just like he did with me when I came. He just did a crosswalk the other way. It takes and redirects the power and energy so it's away from you. Mike, thank you so much for volunteering. What I try to do is teach this principle now emotionally. Now you can respond to them without being floored.
All we're going to do, we're going to take that right leg, we're going to wrap it over your neck. No, I'm kidding. My hand is going to actually just indicate how quickly to inhale and how quickly to exhale. And inhale. And exhale. All the way up to the ceiling. Fill that whole body with air. Exhale, a deep, long, slow exhale. Now this is interesting. When we're walking, and I'm saying, you know, Ken, I really need to talk to you about this thing. This is what's going on right now. And I'm really not comfortable with what you did the other day. But when we're walking and looking in the same direction, it feels really emotionally and physically feels like we're working on solving this problem together.
Don't take things personal. That's another way of helping to deflect. If what they say you don't take it personal, you take it only as additional information. That helps you to respond, but you don't take it into yourself again.
We're going to look at ways to stop the head from either being very critical of us or critical of others, and that's where stress comes in. One of the things is to stop that critical head when you put your head on the pillow at night, is the last thing you can do is to remind yourself of 3 things or more, but at least 3 things you've done right today. Have hobbies, have fun, have humor, because the reasons angels can fly is they take themselves so lightly.
Book Dr. Ken Vanderlip and Susie Vanderlip to pick up morale, enhance productivity, and revitalize yourself, your workforce, and your family.